Alright, here's my video. I want to see what is wrong with my car. It's my RB. My wiring harness, everything's hooked up. And let me show you what she does when we turn the key. Fuel pump comes on, and I get nothing. Wiring harness down here, 2 relays. Everything was professionally done at a shop. The harness was done. Down there, I don't know what's going on. I'm not sure if a coil or something's bad up top. I'm not sure if you guys could help me out at all. I don't know if my coils would be bad. I don't even know how to check them. You guys give me some tips. It's my first swap in a 240. I'm kind of looking for some help here. If you guys give me any help, let me know what you think. Alright, thanks.